everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do an unboxing and then do a little spell together. We have the Moon Spell box. So this is not a subscription, but they do offer a monthly box, so you just can pick and choose which ones you want, which I think is actually a great idea. So you can get this at moonspellbox.com, and I believe it is $19 per month now. So I will link them down below, and there is a code, unless it's changed, it's Magick in all caps, and you get 10% off. I'll put all the information, the link in the description if you are interested. So yeah, this is the second box we received from Moonspell Box. Thank you very much for allowing me to review your box. Not sponsored or anything though, but last month we did a spell for abundance, prosperity. I love that. And I peeked, and this one is protection. So let's get this open. We'll look and see what's inside, and then I will tilt the camera down a little bit and we will do this spell together. So let me open it up. This is what it looks like. We have paper here that walks you through the entire spell, which is really nice. And it's great. Everything you need comes in the box, so you don't really need anything from home. So protection spell. I thought it'd be good to do it today. I personally like to do protection spells usually on Saturday, but Tuesdays are good too because Tuesdays are ruled by Mars, Saturdays ruled by Saturn. But honestly, with protection spells, sometimes you need it right away. I wouldn't, like if you need some protection stuff up, protection in general, I wouldn't worry about the day of the week. Just giving you some of my personal things I go by and what I like to do. And during a waning moon is good as well because that's good for like banishing and stuff like that. So if there's like a specific energy or person, situation you're trying to get rid of, that's something to keep in mind. But again, if you need protection, you need protection. Don't worry about all of that. So let's see what it says here. Combining your energy and intentions with the cleansing and protective energy of salt and herbs to create a safe and protected home space. Awesome. So the intention is to provide a safe and protected space for all living beings in your home. I love that it has an intention. So the ingredient list, we have sea salt, bay leaf, rosemary in a dish. And then it'll go through all the steps here. We'll go through that together, like I said. And there's an incantation as well. So let's take a look at the items inside. Ooh, cool. We have some evil eye bracelets in there as well. So that's awesome. We have this little bag. Again, this could be to like store the herbs and stuff, I believe. And you can just repurpose it if you want. Use it for like a sachet or something. But I think this is wonderful that they provided this as well. I have evil eye stuff around my place. I have other protective measures and stuff too, but I love the evil eye. And I love it talks about what it is, so let me tell you. The evil eye has a symbol of an eye worked upon it, regarding as a potent amulet for protection against evil forces in almost every culture of the world. The evil eye deflects the negative energy directed towards the person onto itself. It stares back at the world to protect its owner from negativity and harm. Wear it to keep your life balanced and bring good luck to you. And there are 2 bracelets here. Love that. So I will definitely be sporting that soon. And then I love these little spells. We have some bay leaf here. Some rosemary. Just a little tip, keep these little jars. They'll come in handy later on, so that's great. And some salt. And then we have this little cute bowl here to mix it all in. So how about we just jump into it? Should I read you the stuff now? I like how they give step-by-step instructions, like I said, the incantation, but I really like their step number 1 because this is something I do all the time. So it talks about calling in your ancestors, angels, guides, or anyone else that will help align with your highest good. So we're making a magical salt today, and then we'll combine it. Yeah, so I am going to just tilt this down so you can see what I'm doing right here. Seems pretty simple, but then it tells us what to do with the salt as well. So let's see if I can get these open. Yeah. So I'm just going to open all of these beforehand. Sometimes it's a struggle to get the corks out for me, but it looks like we're doing just fine today. And if you want, you can cleanse your space. I will do that. So this is not like a mandatory step. I just like to clean the space I am working in. And I'm using Palo Santo right now. Table to clear away any unwanted negative energy, any energy that is not mine. It smells really good too. Okay. Now that we have everything, so let's begin. I call upon my ancestors, angels, guides to help align me with my highest good today and help provide protection and assist in this working today. So we are going to combine all 3 ingredients in the dish provided. As you combine the ingredients in a bowl for your protective salt, be sure your protection intentions are clear. My intention is to provide a safe and protected space for all living beings in my home. Now I'm going to put my hands over this and read aloud the incantation. You can read this in your mind if you want, if you're doing this more privately. And you can also be more specific, they say, with the intention and incantation, and incorporate your own words. And also if there's a certain person, spirit, or energy that you wish to keep out of your home, you can feel free to incorporate their name or any specific details in this process. Please shield and protect my home and all of the living beings within it, so that those who enter our home only come for our highest good and greatest benefit. And now this is ready to place around your home. So it says, sprinkle this salt and herb mixture in all windows and doorways to protect your home. If you have metal windows or doorways that may rust, you can always place multiple bowls in the corners of your home. Also, if you have an animal that like licks stuff like this, like I know my cat Emmy, she does not do that. But if you do have animals that are curious and stuff like that, you can put it in bowls too, out of reach. And it says to allow the magic salt mixture to remain in the areas you place them in for at least 24 hours and repeat the process as necessary. So I am going to put this, I have a sliding door right there onto my balcony. I'll probably place it like in between the doorways, you know, the slider and the glass door. And I'll put some on my windowsill in my bedroom and then outside my front door. So this will be enough for me. But here it is. So salt is very protective, absorbs negative energy, but this is something you do want to like keep up with. So you can like brush this away after 24 hours. But if you keep it in like the corners of your like apartment or house, I feel like I should lift this up now. Sorry, one second. To cut out that close up of my boob. Sorry if I forgot. But it's something that, you know, can get fully absorbed or can absorb all of the energies or like a capacity of it. So you want to refresh it like every like new moon, dark moon, or like whenever you remember full moon. Sometimes people do. But I would say about once a month is recommended, or whenever you feel called to. Some people do like protection stuff like that quarterly, but it's all up to you, what you feel you need. So I am going to go do that now. I think more protection is always good. I've actually felt called to do more stuff and like work with Archangel Michael. Like I got this like message for protection, like that he's helping protect me. I'm like, I don't know like from what, but I feel like I just have protection on my mind. So this is a really great time for this to come in. So I will link them down below, like I said. Ooh, and I'm definitely going to put this on too. Like even if you don't think anyone's like purposely trying to give you evil eye, like people could just be like jealous and or something and just like think these negative thoughts towards you, and that those like energy vibrations can like affect you potentially. So I just think it's really nice to have stuff like this, especially if you're like in the public eye, but really for anyone, we all need it. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna link them down below, and I will put that code. I think it's like on their website when you go to it, moonspellbox.com. But thank you so much for being here, you guys. Let me know your thoughts. And I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have an amazing day. I love you. Bye.